Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through removing a bank account from your Shopify payment settings. This can be useful if you're changing financial providers. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify account. To do so, just go to your web browser, then enter in the search bar shopify.com. After the website appears, enter your account credentials and log in. Like you see, I'm already logged in. So now we're gonna start by navigating to the payment settings. In your Shopify admin, click on settings in the left sidebar, then select payments. Go to settings here, right next to the gear icon, and then click on payments. Enter the payments provider, click on manage next to Shopify payments. With your payment provider, click choose a provider, or if you have already a provider, you can select it and remove it. As you can see, I don't have any provider. Let's go back to the payment settings. Here, I haven't entered a provider or a credit card, but if you will find it, you can select the option to edit or remove the accounts and follow the prompts. And that's it. You've successfully removed a bank account from your Shopify settings. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments below so I can answer them in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.